Ever opened your trusty QuickBooks Desktop software, only to be met with a nagging update notification? You click "Remind me later" a few times, but the feeling of impending change lingers. Is QuickBooks Desktop on the chopping block in 2024? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you, and it definitely has implications for your bookkeeping. For years, QuickBooks Desktop has been the go-to software for countless small businesses. Its user-friendly interface and robust features made it a reliable companion for managing finances. But the world of technology is constantly evolving, and cloud-based solutions are taking center stage. So, is QuickBooks Desktop destined to become a relic of the past? Let's dive deeper. Here's the breakdown. End of service for QuickBooks Desktop 2021. There's some truth to the update worries. If you're clinging to the 2021 version of QuickBooks Desktop, a hard stop is coming. Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks, officially discontinued support for this version on May 31st, 2024. This means you'll lose access to crucial features like QuickBooks Desktop Payroll. Say goodbye to seamless payroll processing within your existing software. Desktop payments. Accepting payments directly through QuickBooks Desktop becomes a thing of the past. Live technical support. Stuck with a technical snag? Intuit's support team won't be readily available to troubleshoot your 2021 version. Security updates. This is a big one. Without ongoing security updates, your financial data becomes vulnerable to cyber threats. QuickBooks Desktop 2024. A temporary reprieve for existing users. Now, here's a sigh of relief for those on QuickBooks Desktop 2024. The software itself isn't discontinued, but there's a catch. Intuit stopped selling new subscriptions for this version in July 2024. This means you're good to go if you're an existing user with a valid subscription, but new users won't have the option to hop on board. The future of QuickBooks Desktop. The cloud beckons. The writing's kind of on the wall. Intuit's focus is shifting towards QuickBooks Online, the cloud-based version of their accounting software. It offers several advantages. Accessibility anywhere. Access your financial data from any device with an internet connection, giving you ultimate flexibility. Automatic backups. No more scrambling to remember the last time you backed up your data. QuickBooks Online takes care of it automatically. Real-time collaboration. Collaborate with your accountant or bookkeeper in real time, streamlining communication and tasks. Scalability. As your business grows, your accounting software should too. QuickBooks Online scales with your needs, offering flexible plans. Making the move from desktop to cloud. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop 2021 or are considering a new solution, transitioning to QuickBooks Online might be the way to go. Here are some tips to make the switch smooth. Intuit offers migration tools. Intuit provides tools to help you migrate your data from desktop to online. Consider professional help. A qualified accountant or bookkeeper can assist with the migration process and ensure a smooth transition. Start exploring now. Don't wait until the last minute. Familiarize yourself with the features and functionalities of QuickBooks Online beforehand. The verdict: QuickBooks Desktop isn't completely disappearing yet. While QuickBooks Desktop isn't being completely phased out just yet, the future is undoubtedly in the cloud. For new users, QuickBooks Online is the clear path forward. For existing desktop users, the decision depends on your needs and comfort level. Embrace the change or stick to your desktop. Ultimately, the choice is yours. If you value desktop-based software and your current version is functioning well, you might be able to hold on to QuickBooks Desktop for a while longer. But be aware of the limitations and security risks associated with discontinued software. The cloud offers a world of convenience, flexibility, and collaboration. If you're open to exploring new options, QuickBooks Online might be the key to unlocking a more efficient and streamlined bookkeeping experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.